Hello guys, so this is at the top of this hill. Though some are polluted with the polythene. These polythenes are being brought by the strong wind that is flowing to this side on this hill. Very fresh air, and the wind, I think you can feel the sounds, or you can hear the sounds of the blowing wind. It's at the top, and I want to give you a view of from Kasarani. I want to give you a very good view of Kasarani. So this is a very good hill that is in the vast lands of Kasarani Stadium, the most expensive land, I think, within Nairobi. Yes, it's I think at the end of this video I'll be able to find out how many acres of land does Kasarani, the extensive Kasarani Stadium, have. So this is a very good view I'm giving you from the Kasarani side, the Kasarani Stadium side. That is the view. It is my amateur camera. But guys, soon I'm coming up with a camera and more content. I think it's more content. It's even better camera. More content, guys. So guys, you can subscribe so that you can motivate me to give you more of these views. I'll be giving you various views from any side to any side. Can I do this? Yes. So I'll be giving you a very good view. This is a very good view I'm giving you from Kasarani to Dandora. So there is a road that was built by the Huruto regime. Hata kama ilikuwa ni madeni, barabara walitengeneza. Hivyo ndio Kenya wanasema. So Kenyans say, as much as the roads were built through debt, it's still a good thing for a country that we have passable roads. Anyway, I don't want to talk politics right now. So this is the expansive. The place I'm showing is the expansive and vast lands of Kasarani. So right there, if I zoom, that is the Kasarani Stadium. From here, it's about hey, that looks like a half a kilometer. It's like a half a kilometer from where I'm standing to the Kasarani Stadium. I think you can see. That is the best I can zoom. And then there's the sports academy. There's a government institution that deals with the sports. I think I'll find out. I do forget. But I think it's the Kenya Sports Academy. Yes, the Kenya Sports Academy. Yes. That is at far bit adjacent to the Kasarani Stadium. So yes. And guys, you know, part of this Kasarani Stadium land is being utilized by growing vegetables. I'll do a video showing how they do farming. But right now there's some good rainfall in Nairobi, so I saw they are so excited because they are not doing irrigation, because during the dry season they do normally do irrigation, but that is content for another video. Yeah, so for now I'm just giving you these views. Yes, if it doesn't excite you, well and good. For me it excites me. If it excites you, kindly you can like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, you can also share this video so that we can be able to create more impact. Guys, I'll be giving you more views, so just give me a reason. Did I say that? Yes. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Just talked about it. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.